Finding the right rollator isn't just about mobility, it's about maintaining your freedom and confidence. I know how overwhelming it gets with all the different specs and styles out there, so I went ahead and tested the top contenders to find the best rollator walkers with seat. I've pushed these through grass-navigated tight hallways and sat on every single seat to see which ones are actually sturdy and which ones are a waste of money. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Drive Medical Rollator Walker. When I first pulled this Drive Medical unit out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the solid feel of the steel frame. It's definitely built to last. It supports up to 350 pounds, and when I leaned my full weight on it, it didn't wobble or flex, which is exactly what you want for stability. I took it for a spin around the neighborhood, and those 7.5-inch wheels handled the sidewalk cracks without getting stuck or jarring my wrists. The padded seat is decent for a quick break while waiting in line or pausing on a walk. I really like the underseat pouch. It's hidden when you sit, which is nice for keeping your wallet or phone secure. The locking handbrakes are stiff at first but hold the unit perfectly still. It's a bit heavier because of the steel, but for pure durability, it's a winner. Product number 2, HOMLAND Foldable Rollator. Moving on to the HOMLAND, this one surprised me with how smooth the ride was. It's sitting on massive 8-inch puncture-proof wheels, and let me tell you, that makes a huge difference on grass or rougher pavement compared to standard walkers. I also love the adjustability here. Whether you're short or tall, anywhere from 47 to 66, you can tweak the handle and seat height to fit perfectly, which saves your back. Speaking of the seat, it's made of memory foam. It is significantly more comfortable than the standard foam pads on other models. I tested the brakes, and the deceleration mode is a nice touch if you're going down a slope and don't want to fly away. It's light, only about 20 pounds, and the folding mechanism is fully enclosed so you won't pinch your fingers, which is a small design detail that saves a lot of pain. Product number 3, Medline Steel Rollator. Then there's the Medline Steel Rollator. This is the one you probably see everywhere, and for good reason. It's simpler than the Homland, featuring smaller 6-inch wheels. In my testing, these smaller wheels were fantastic indoors. Navigating tight corners in the kitchen or hallway was super easy. However, outside, they did rattle a bit more on uneven ground. The frame supports 350 pounds, but it feels surprisingly manageable to lift into a trunk at just over 16 pounds. I really appreciate the brake handles on this one. They are ergonomic and very easy to grip, even if you don't have a lot of hand strength. You just push down to lock them and they click satisfyingly. The underseat storage is standard but functional. If you need something primarily for indoor use or smooth surfaces like a shopping mall, this is a solid, affordable pick that gets the job done. Product number 4, Drive Medical Nitro Sprint. Now, if you want something that feels a bit more modern, I checked out the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint. This doesn't look like your standard medical equipment. It has an aluminum frame, so it's lighter and looks much sleeker. The standout feature for me was the one-handed folding mechanism. You literally just pull up on the seat handle and the whole thing collapses sideways. It's incredibly convenient for getting in and out of a car quickly. The braking system feels very controlled, especially the slowdown mode, which stops the runaway train feeling on hills. I also found the contoured backrest to be way more supportive than the standard bar you get on cheaper models. It has bag mounting positions, so you can customize where you put your stuff. It's definitely a premium option, but if you're active and travel a lot, the design and ease of use are worth it. Product number 5, Lightweight Folding Steel Rollator. Finally, I looked at this lightweight folding steel option in light blue. This is a great entry-level choice if you don't need all the bells and whistles. It supports up to 300 pounds, a little less than the others, but still plenty strong for most people. The 6-inch non-marking wheels are perfect for protecting your hardwood floors at home. I found the handles easy to adjust between 31 and 35 inches, so finding a comfortable walking posture didn't take long. It weighs about 17 pounds, so while it's steel, it's not a backbreaker to lift. The padded seat is standard, sitting at a comfortable height for a quick rest. The storage pouch is roomy enough for your keys and medications. It's simple, it folds flat, and it works. If you just need basic stability without overcomplicating things, this handles the basics perfectly well without breaking the bank. Choosing the right rollator really depends on whether you're sticking to the indoors or planning to tackle rougher terrain outside. But honestly, any of these 5 will keep you moving safely. I've dropped links to all of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and see more reviews. Thanks for watching.